The Ford Bronco key fobs from 2021 to 2024 are easy to open with just a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually between the buttons and the keychain ring. Gently insert your tool into the seam and pry it open, separating the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Use a non-conductive tool like plastic tweezers to carefully remove the old battery. Note the orientation of the positive side, which is usually facing up. Now grab your new CR2032 battery. Ensure it's a 3-volt lithium coin cell. Place the new battery into the compartment with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Once the new battery is in place, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Make sure they align properly before pressing firmly. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it's working. If your Bronco has push-button start, you might need to reprogram the fob through the vehicle's settings menu. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions. Dispose of the old battery responsibly.